What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. On the move, getting y'all one in before the sun go down. I ain't playing. I am not playing at all, man. About to uncover this bad boy right here and talk about, let me see, point y'all at the sky. Back in view. Talk about this one for a little bit. If you ain't saw by now, I'm hitting y'all with double trouble on both of the channels. So if you ain't figured that out and you're not subscribed to one, go subscribe to the other. Make sure you locked in on both. Cause if you're not, you're gonna miss out on something. Believe me, you're gonna miss out on something, cause I'm doing exclusive content on each channel. Double header. I'm going in. So I'm right here with Dolo. I have not had the car cover off of this car in months, a couple of months. Easy. Haven't even opened this door. None of that, man. Look at this bad boy. This is a long intro, man. I gotta cut the clip. Alright, we checking back in. Got the hood pop. Get that little thump. I gotta get that thumbnail. Checking everything out. Transmission still suspended. Pretty low, y'all. Look at that. Look how we got that thing suspended. Boy, them bungee cords. Bungee cords doing what they do. 400 right there waiting. I'm just checking everything out cause got some plans. I got some plans, man. That's the whole reason of this video. Can I tell y'all a little bit? I've been in the dark with everything. Man, people that ain't maybe just tuning in the interior. We'll do another walk around, man. The Impala seats, the 2013 Impala seats in there. Pistol grip, flow shifter, radio out of it right now. But we got some plans for this. We got some plans for this bad boy. I'm gonna get that thumbnail for y'all. Get that thumbnail. Boom, boom. That's it right there. But nah, we got some plans, man. I don't feel right keeping y'all in the dark. Completely in the dark. Now, I'm about to, hold on, y'all. I'm looking at this. Hold on. I'm looking at meat over here. This thing here is supposed to be buckled up. It ain't buckled up. Buckle mine up. Hold on. We gotta buckle meats back up. We gotta fasten meats back up. Hold up. Set y'all down. Meats gotta get fastened up. Don't want no wind to kick up, pull the cover off. But yeah, I'm checking this thing out. Old Dolo. Dolo about to get some work too. Come January. I should have took this in. This probably gonna discharge the battery. But I'm looking at everything, which I should be straight, cause go ahead and tell y'all what's going on, man. Dolo will no longer be small block. Yes indeed, Dolo is big block. Notice I said is big block. It ain't in here yet. Now, what I am gonna be secretive about is the cubic inches. You have to let your mind run on that. I wouldn't have been secretive if somebody would just come and cast out on this thing, man. But nah, seriously. Dolo is getting a big block. This was not in my plans. But I just said forget it. I'm gonna do it like I normally would do a car back in the day, like I did Meats. I had no hiccups with Meats, man. I had no hiccups cause I just spent the money. Only hiccup I had with Meats is I bought some, well, I didn't buy them. Aunt found them. It was some used heads. There was some, I don't forgot what big block heads. They had cracks in them basically though. But after that, I bought some, man, from a big engine builder, cause we tried to have those cracks repaired, but it was so many it just wouldn't work. But after that, I bought some ported and polished heads and assembled them from scratch. Even the ones that were cracked were assembled from scratch. The machine shop missed them. When they put the heads together, they missed them. Cause Big Meats heads were assembled from scratch. They were bare. The heads that were on it were ported and polished. Hours and hours of porting and polish. They were just shining, man, smooth. Like I said, valves, springs, everything bought piece by piece and assembled. I didn't buy nothing out the store, so I didn't buy no pre-assembled head, basically. That's what done for me. So I'm sitting right here thinking with Dolo, I'm like, man, I put a nice chunk of money in this car already. It's a nice chunk of money in this car. It don't look like it, but for the people that followed this bill, y'all know that, man. Y'all know that. Shout out to my sponsor, one of my sponsors, Showtime Transmission. So, you know, I get hooked up on that. But, you know, we like family. It's a, you know, it's a partnership, basically. But that hold on, y'all. That transmission right there, easily 600 to 700. That's on the low end. They get higher depending on what you put in them. I didn't have a real high power level, so I ain't need all that. But I'm hoping, I can't remember, I'm gonna hit diesel up. It's gonna support what I'm gonna make now. Cause I will say this, the engine going in here gonna be 500 plus NA before the nitrous. Before the nitrous, then I'm no cap right there at all. Before the nitrous. But you got that right there. You have this fan and radiator setup. This is $400 plus the relays you gotta have. You're looking at about $450. Then we got the 2 regulators. We got the 1 gallon fuel cell, vacuum canister, your MSD box, blaster coil, whole entire new AC system from the condenser, the evaporator, the accumulator, all of that, everything new. The pressure switch, brand new AC system, all the hoses new. LEDs up here in the front. All the front and back brake components are new. We got the G-Force cross member in there. You got the 2013 Impala, the seat swap in there, new carpet. Y'all saw me tear this car down. I tore the whole interior out of it, new tack. Got a $450 shifter in there. You got 430 gears in the rear. $550 carry, man. You got, I don't even want to say what the cost in the exhaust. Then you got the ENG grill on it. It's just a lot, man. This stuff add up fast. It still add up fast, and the car will be getting painted. It's gonna get a candy paint job on it. I'm not saying what color. The car will have some more wheels on it, 26s. But we going big block. We going big block. I've been telling y'all, I say it's already in motion. Now I'm gonna tell y'all at first, I had a small block in motion, changed the plans, boom boom. I said, hey man, I'm gonna put a big block in it. Now, hey, the cubic inches, I'm not saying the cubic inches. I will say this. It's going to be 500 plus to the wheels. 500 plus. Now, that plus can be whatever. That plus can be whatever. It will be 500 plus to the wheels. Naturally aspirated. That's why people probably like, why Jay don't need the small block stuff? Because I don't need it. Am I keeping it? Yeah, I'm keeping it. Cause you got to go over to my other channel to see what's going on with the Cutlass. If you ain't subscribed, you're gonna miss out on some call. And more people that ain't know I got a Cutlass call. They still over here. Y'all ain't even subscribed to the Life of J Malcolm channel. People like, why you ain't been uploading? I've been uploading the whole entire time. I said I was taking a break from that channel cause YouTube was messing with me. Now we're gonna see what they do this month. But I never stop uploading. I've been uploading on Life of J Malcolm YouTube channel and on my Facebook page. So if you missing on one of them, you're gonna miss out on something. You're gonna be lost in the sauce. But it's something going on with the Cutlass too, and I had to drop another load of money on the Cutlass. But you gotta go over to the other channel to see that video. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna do another video on both channels, pretty much explaining how I'm about to run things over here and how I'm gonna run things over there. And it's gonna all be car content, except the other channel gonna have some real talk content sprinkled in too. But y'all got to, I'm gonna drop a video explaining everything. But I ain't feel right, man, telling y'all cause I might even show it. I don't know. I might not show it, but it's gonna be the real deal this time. Serious. I spent some money. I spent some money, man. We got a 5-figure engine going in here. I say that much. It's a 5-figure engine going in here, so you can let your mind wander on that. But this go around is gonna be nice. And even after I do all that, the new engine coming, the paint, the candy paint, the new wheels, all of that, interior will be done, the car be done complete. I'm still going to sell this car. People and more people attached to the car more than me, so it's still gonna be for sale. The three that I'm gonna have, Big Meats, the Cutlass, and the Camaro. Cause my kids, man, they love all my cars. They really do. They love all of them, man. Especially Tina. Tina into old school. She love them. She always asks, when she was asking today, when we gonna ride in Dolo and Big Meats. She called the Big Meats car. But this one right here, I never planned on keeping this car, so even though it's gonna be nice when it's done, completed, I'm gonna sell it because I don't need 2-box Chevys. I don't want 2-box Chevys. I don't. Got a G body, a F body, a B body. You know, I already got a truck. The Ford ain't going nowhere, so I'm gonna do a full-size bill too, but I won't keep it either. But yeah, and meats, I plan on meats having oil pressure. If it don't make it this year, I will have the engine though. I will have the engine this year, but it'll be because of holidays and all that going on. I won't have time or don't feel like fooling with it. But the engine will be present. I'm gonna have the engine this month for meats. So that's what's going on with Dolo. I just had to hit y'all with this video, let y'all know we're getting the big block. We're getting the big block, and I promise you, it's gonna be a shocker. It's gonna be a shocker. Cause when it cost some coins, but it's gonna be worth it. And at the end of everything, when I reveal how big it is, or how small it is, or whatever, I don't know. There's a few know what's going on. You know, my people, my close people, they know what's going on. But yep, that's what it is with Dolo. So y'all can look forward to Dolo content coming soon. Right now I'm undecided on if I'm gonna put the engine in or not. I don't know if I feel like it. I might put it in. I don't know. I might put it in. I won't be setting it up, firing it up, and all that myself, cause I got too much going on. So if anything, I probably set it in, take it over to Jesse, let them finish it up. Cause I'm gonna do this now. Big Meats, I'm gonna do that all myself, like last time. I'm gonna do that whole car myself, put it in and all that, get it running. But this one right here, it's too many chips being spent, so I don't wanna fool with it. But yeah, that's it, man. I just want to hit y'all with a video. I'm trying to hit y'all with daily uploads the whole month. Super consistent. I'm really working, man, grinding to be uploading on 2 channels. And if y'all really follow me all the way around, y'all know I upload 5 to 6 videos a day, depending across all my platforms. So I'm really working, man. I'm really out here working for real. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.